Now, a judge in Luxembourg has announced the verdict in the trial of 3 people accused of being involved in one of the biggest leaks of confidential tax documents in history. It was alleged that 2 former employees of the audit firm PricewaterhouseCoopers gave thousands of documents to a French journalist. Now, the so-called LuxLeaks scandal began in October 2010 when PwC auditor Antoine Deltour quit the firm. He took documents showing how multinational companies, including household names like Apple, IKEA and Heinz, used legal tax arrangements in Luxembourg to avoid paying billions of dollars in taxes. Several media outlets leaked the contents of 28,000 pages in November 2014. Deltour, another PwC employee, Raphael Halle, and journalist Edouard Perrin went on trial in April this year on charges of stealing confidential information. They say they were whistleblowers who did it for the public good. Azhar Sukri has all the details.
The verdict then in the LuxLeaks trial has come out. The judge here saying that Antoine Deltour, the former PricewaterhouseCoopers employee who leaked 28,000 pages of confidential information, should get 12 months jail and a €1,500 fine. His colleague Raphael Halle, also from PricewaterhouseCoopers, getting a 9-month sentence and a €1,000 fine. The journalist in this case, Edouard Perrin, being acquitted. And the judge acknowledged that what they did was an act of whistleblowing, but he insisted that under the law of Luxembourg, they had to be punished. So sending a signal, really, to the wider community that the business model of Luxembourg is very much intact. Remember, Luxembourg is one of the most economically exposed to financial services. More than half of the additional, the added value to its gross domestic product comes from financial services. And many companies here use the very liberal regulations here to avoid paying billions and billions of dollars in taxes. Bear in mind that these activities under the current law are perfectly legal, which is why no one apart from these 3 gentlemen were prosecuted. These 2 former PwC employees have now been punished.